UMT Markhors, after they were reduced to. There's been a whole barrage of concentration levels from Salman and Iftikhar. Oh, that's a bit of turn there for Shadab. Brings a big smile on his face. Just keeps the batter thinking what all he has to deal with.
No better time for a captain to bowl when you got 4 wickets within the first few overs, only giving away 25 runs. It's getting some turn, but Salman Ali Agha was waiting for that opportunity. Once again, way outside the off stump. The bat came downstairs. The result, another 4 for him.
He's got to for 4.
The clouds have been there, but very high up in the sky. No chance for rain. A bit of relief for the spectators and the players. And a long walk for Salman Ali Agha and Iftikhar. But the way they have grabbed this opportunity, trying to take it deep, and that is going to be a of the innings. But what most of us have not seen is that Doyle go through in the List A cricket during the middle overs. He knows how to construct an innings and take it towards the deep end of the innings, and this is an opportunity but a big test for both of them. Faisalabad, little cloudy this afternoon, still no chance of rain, but a good opportunity for the spectators to have a cup of tea courtesy Chapal Daneda Tea Lounge, and a nice time to have it in the late afternoon, which is turning into finally a pleasant evening. We are into late September, still the summers have not gone by, waiting for the autumn to begin. Monsoon has retreated.
That's a good single. Good call. They need to squeeze out runs wherever possible. And if you need anyone to rebuild in an innings, you'll probably look for someone like Salman Agha, and he's there. Like how Iftikhar is batting, he's understood what's required of him, and he knows that his job is right now to reconstruct, and then in the last end he has to go berserk along with the batters to come, which will be a couple more. Nicely kept down. He wants to. He's running hard, Salman, and he wants to come back. Yes, that's his call, and they've completed it. Good running.
Shadab has been continuing from the other end. 4 overs he has bowled so far. Ahmad Wood came from the other end. He is also going to complete 4 of them. And maybe this would be the time when Shadab would start to think to get into other ideas to break this partnership. UMT Markhors had been building into a fight back, 2 runs away from 50 runs mark, this partnership, and nicely going for them. And we may see sooner rather than later a change in bowling from the other end. This is becoming far too easy if the initiative is not taken.